So in this example, we've got a spring with a spring constant of 25.0 newtons per metre, and it's extended by 100 millimetres. We want to know how much elastic potential energy is stored in the spring. So looking at the question, we know that the spring constant K is equal to 25.0 newtons per metre, and the extension E, well, it's given in millimetres, so I need to convert this to metres, like my unit over here. So that's going to be equal to 0.100 metres. Now, to work out the amount of elastic potential energy, that's going to be equal to a half times K times E squared. And therefore, we can just write this as a half times 25.0 times 0.1 squared. And again, it's important that we only square the extension, not this whole number here. And on my calculator, this gives then a value of the amount of energy stored as 0.125 joules. And again, I can give this to three significant figures like my raw data in the question.